this one is generally about the coping with the ups and downs of YouTubing. Never be afraid to try something different on YouTube, as long as it's within the guidelines, of course. And never be scared if you lose subscribers, because you still gain them back, you gain other people. It is totally like a roller coaster, and it's not going to happen overnight. So yeah, if you are new or you are experiencing heavy traffic coming and going on your channel, persevere. Social Blade is a good web page to use, or Chrome extra add-on. It you can check a lot about your channel, about how many subscribers you gained or lost in the last 28 days. It's a bit more in depth than the Google Analytics thingy page. It lots more in depth. It even predicts what your channel could be if you carry on the way you are. So Social Blade is a good bit of software. It's not an ad. I'm not sponsored by them. I'm just saying that because I use it, and you can put anyone's channel in and look at their channel as well and see how they're doing. So anyone famous you follow, like even Zoella or Alfie Days, you can check theirs and you can see all the stats, what they predicted to earn, what they highs and lows, how many subscribers have gained, that kind of stuff. Check it out and see. But yeah, never keep persevering. Don't give up. The amount of times that I've nearly given up, but I thought, no, this is a hobby, an interest. I'm learning loads and loads through it. Confidence is a big boost. And if you've got mental health issues, like I have, and most of people, YouTubers, it does help. Trust me, it does help. I could not stare into a camera when I first did vlogging. When I was editing a video with me in there, I couldn't even stare at it. Now I can edit, I can film, I can look at myself at the camera, this viewfinder, and it doesn't bother me at all. I'm still the same person, but it's just built my confidence up so much. And the friends you make, my God, the friends you make are good. You find positive friends, and it gives you a big boost, big motivation. So yeah. So never give up. Don't let people put you down. You will get bad comments, I've only had a couple of bad comments, but nothing really nasty. But I'm prepared for it in the future. I'm prepared. It's only words at the end of the day. You can block them, you can hide them from anyone else seeing it. So at the end of the day, you're in full control, or whatever anyone puts on there. You've got control to kick them off, or just to get rid of them off your channel. So yeah. So don't forget, subscribe and turn notifications on, and just enjoy being on YouTube. That's what it's about. So that's the end of this series, little short series. So toodle pips for now, and you'll see me on the next Sunday vlog.